Good day and welcome with a okay, 3, 2, 1. Good day and welcome to another episode of trying to clean it in the Amazon rainforest during the big rainy season. Now, we have already done a nice piece, as you can see. I try to do bit by bit every day what I can do. But yeah, let's give you guys a tour. If you look around, you see that I tried cleaning a little bit. It's already growing back. So yeah, we've got a nice long ways to go. So without further ado, let's get right to it. As I already said, I like to start cleaning around the plants. Oh, excuse me, baby. I like to clean around the plants because all this overgrow is not good for it. So I gotta try to get rid of it all of it. So let's go. Start going with the machete. The spiky plant with thorns, so I need to be careful. I'm not going to be able to do much just by hand, but the best thing you can do is lower it a little, because the more you wait, the more it overgrows and kills the plant. As you can see, it's losing leaves already. This means that all that grass over there is a problem. So let's take care of it. Sometimes it's okay to go in with hands just to make it easier on the plant, because sometimes they grow right next to it. And if you try to cut it with a machete, you could really damage the plant. So as you can see, this one got really big. Shake off the dirt. Toss that aside. And then you continue. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Pull out by hand what can't go with this. And what can, I just chop it down with the machete. Now, let me see how far I can get by. Okay. I've already got around the tree. Now, that's good enough. You really just want to make sure you lower the freaking grass, because if you're going to try to get rid of every little strand, that's going to be a problem. So without further ado, let's continue with the rest of this, because it is still waiting. The other side is already clean over there. Just gotta work till we get to that part. Now if I get bored of bending over, I can always get my little chop. That's what we call it. It's right over here. When you get tired of bending over, using the short-handed tools, go ahead and use these. It's been very rainy, so very muddy. Yeah, go ahead and use this when you don't want to bend over and do all that swinging. That's what I be doing. Okay. Just keep walking until we get to where we want to get. And eventually, you should finish. Well, if you did not know already, cleaning up a yard, especially a yard as big as this one, by hand, is already a workout. If you didn't know that. So if you don't want to go to the gym, or you don't want to go jogging, just grab you a shovel or grab you a chop, start chopping. It'll do. Okay, red ends. Red ends! Woo! The sun is whooping my arse. I need a break. But we cannot rely on a break, you see, because it's the big rainy season. And we don't know when we're going to get this chance again. So let's go. Good Lord. Uh-oh. Tree stomp. Stomp. And red ants. Ooh, red ants. Woo! Jesus! Woo! All right. I've had a fight with the ants for about 2 times now. And it's not fun anymore. But look what we're gonna do. Look what we're gonna do. We can either, one, put on the garden boots, which they will be a little too tight. And being that it's hot today, it'll be too hot for those. Or we can move to another location. I think I'm gonna choose the next location because those boots will hurt my feet. So let's just stick somewhere nice and shady because these red ants are not playing with me. I did get to a nice piece, but those red ants, they're making this impossible. So let's go look for a nice area, a bit away from them, so we can get some alone time. This few will do. Then we're gonna go ahead and do now is chop from here to there, so that those red ants stop troubling me. So go ahead and stop. Want to lightly chop it. You don't want to go too heavy, causing too much dirt to come along with the grass. I'm really just chopping it, and if I feel that I took a little bit dirt, I just move it like so to get the dirt out. Now, let's continue. Keep them up for the sake of work, piling up. Woo! And we are done. Yep, definitely done. I have done a nice piece. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I've made a few heaps. Over here, over there, over there. I've cleaned up all the way to where the red ants are. That tree is fully cleaned around. And this one is left to do. I just leave what I need to so that I can always continue hang on a second, so that I can always continue afterwards. So if I like how I left over here around the plant, when I have free time, let's say I'm doing laundry and I have to wait for the clothes to spin, then I just kill time by finishing off these. But yeah, for today, I am done. I have other chores to go and do before hubby comes home. So yeah, I'll see you guys with the next one. This is a really short one. But yeah, I'll see you guys with the next one. Oh my god, I'm sweating all over. I'm gonna go and take me a shower now and finish the rest of my chores. And probably take another shower after that. But you guys stay tuned. Please subscribe for more. Thank you for the follows and the subscriptions for so far. Thank you for all the support. And yeah, love you guys. Mwah.